One of my most prized thing on my workstation is this little book called Gratitude Journal. I used to earlier put it on my bedside because I've heard about it and I know journaling in the night is really good. But it didn't work for me because by the time I went to bed, I was really just too tired to think about and put this down. But it worked really well for me when I put on my work desk because it's the first thing when I start the day. I go through my gratitude journal, put down things that I'm really grateful for before starting the day, and start the day with that positive intention and excitement. And I want to talk to all of you about gratitude and how important that is. And many of you already know that the joys gratitude brings with you. It enables you to look positively, especially in adversity. It enables you to be grateful with what you have. And it also enables you to get happiness in small things in life and not focus on things that we are not getting, but focus on things that we already have. Because we all always have something, whether it's a body, it's the family, loved ones, the work, the food on the table, the roof on the house. There's so many blessings we can count even in the worst of times. But what this has helped mostly for me is I focus on putting adversity in my journal. There is more of what didn't work for me, or what I missed out on, or the issues or problems or sickness that I go through. I put that down in my journal because I feel there's always blessings in things that we feel are taken away from. And what's interesting is when I journal them down, whether I'm grateful for this autoimmune disease that I have, there's always some opportunity that comes along with that, whether it is a support structure that I get at home, or whether it's really an understanding client, or just getting the greatest help possible. So there's so many wonderful things that happen around adversity that we don't tend to look at and don't focus on. And this is what this journaling has taught me, that there's so much of beautiful opportunities around us, and that we just need to start looking at those, start looking at adversity as well, and look at what blessings that come around with it. So I'm going to leave with a small note and invitation to each one of you. Is today what you're grateful for? And look at how you can add or lengthen that list. So you may have 3 things today that you're grateful for. Can you look at 4 tomorrow? Can you look at 5 tomorrow? And keep increasing it. Little things matter, so add to that list. Start your day with gratitude because it's definitely going to bring positivity for you. And if you are positive when you start the day, the rest of the day just flows in that space as well. So wishing you all the best. Stay happy, stay kind.